Thunder Rolling in the Mountains. Foreword. At the time of his death, Scott Odell was immersed in the story of Chief Joseph and his people. Their courage and determination in the face of cruelty, betrayal, and bureaucratic ignorance moved him deeply. So deeply that he continued to work on the manuscript in the hospital until 2 days before he died. A few years earlier, we had followed the trail taken in 1877 by Chief Joseph and his valiant band from the beautiful Wallowa Valley in Oregon to the bleak battlefield at Bear Paws in Montana. From that trip, from the recollections of Nez Perce and U.S. Army personnel, from the writings of historians, and from Scott's instructions and musings about the story, I have completed the manuscript, as Scott has asked me to do. Most of the characters are based on actual Nez Perce, and most of their words and deeds are drawn from recollections of survivors. Swan Necklace is based on 3 warriors: Strong Eagle, Yellow Wolf, and the historical Swan Necklace. Essential to the book's existence are the 2 eyewitness accounts compiled by Lucullus V. McWhorter, Yellow Wolf, his own story, the recollections of Chief Joseph's nephew, and Hear Me, My Chiefs, based on eyewitness accounts of both sides, as well as Chief Joseph's own story, which he told on his trip to Washington, D.C. in 1897. Other helpful books are Merrill Beale's I Will Fight No More Forever, Chief Joseph and the Nez Perce War, Helen Addison Howard's Saga of Chief Joseph, and Arthur Joseph Jr.'s The Nez Perce Indians and the Openings of the Northwest. That was Elizabeth Hall.